Welcome to the Fizzy Show.
Phew, it sure is hot today. But at least I have my super tasty ice cream to cool me down. Oh no! My ice cream! It's melted in the sun!
What's that on the ground?
My ice cream.
Oh no, Phoebe. We need to get you another one.
Oh no! Ice cream! Oh, melty!
Oh look! Our friends are having the same problem. We need to help.
I have an idea. Let's use some fizzy magic. Join in with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop. Whoa!
This is awesome!
Look at all the cool flavors we have too, Phoebe.
Oh, this looks so tasty. I can't wait to get making.
Oh, this looks so yummy!
Yeah, what flavor ice cream did you have, Bobby?
I had mint chucky chips with raspberry sprinkles.
Phoebe, look! We have our first order.
Awesome sauce! Now we just need to make it. Miss Hands, I think we're gonna need a hand.
And
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Whoa, what do we have here? Just look at this ice cream maker. We have our ice cream pump up here. Now that's fun. And look, we have our sprinkles maker. Let's see if there's any in here. Whoa, that is so cool. You see all these sprinkles? They're gonna be so tasty.
Look, there's a cookie. Yum.
Good spot, Phoebe. This is the cookie tray.
ooh, cookie!
Oh, looks like we have one happy customer already.
Okay, first we need to load up with flavor.
Ooh, 1 mint choc chip swirl, please.
Okay, we are gonna put our mint green flavor in the top, right up here like that. Gotta push it in. Give it a little wiggle. And on this side. And close the lid like that.
Here, Miss Hands.
Thank you, Phoebe. Now let's put our cone under the dispenser like this. And now we can pull down the lever to make it swirl. Here we go. We're gonna swirl it in. Whoa, this looks really good. It's coming together. Look how tasty this ice cream looks.
Ooh, minty chucky chip!
I love this minty color.
Can I do the sprinkles, Miss Hands?
Sure.
I'm turning it and turning it. Oh, there we go. Oh, I wonder if it's worked.
It sure did, Fizzy.
Oh, 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 yeah. Thanks, Fizzy. Thanks, Phoebe.
Oh, we're gonna get some ice cream, dude.
Oh, I can't wait.
Speaking of customers, they're starting to line up.
Whoa, we got a whole line of customers.
Yeah, let's ask them what flavors they'd like.
Raspberry ice cream in a cone with a star cookie.
Strawberry ice cream, please, in a cup with sprinkles and a pretzel. Oh,
Vanilla sundae with sprinkles and 2 cookies.
Fizzy, We're so busy.
Yeah, we better get making to move this line along.
First, we have a raspberry ice cream in a cone.
Okay, we put our cone in here, firmly like that. And we add our pink raspberry ice cream up here. Gotta squish it in. There we go. And on the other side there. Whoop. Drip a bit there. And we put our lever in the position and we squish it. And let's make it really swirly.
Yeah, with a star cookie.
Whoa, this looks really tasty, dude.
Let's see, where's our star shape? Here we are. It's right in the middle. So we press our cookie dough firmly into the star mold like that. And lift it out. And ta-da! We have our star cookie.
Whoa, this is looking so tasty.
Order ready.
Yay, time for some yummy ice cream.
Next order, strawberry ice cream in a cup.
Coming right up.
Ooh, in a cup. And our strawberry ice cream. Now we push down and swirl it into the cup. This is so cool.
It needs sprinkles too.
I got it. I twist it round like this. I did it.
Well done, Phoebe. Now we just need a pretzel and this order is ready to go.
Ooh, yummy. I love pretzels. They're one of my favorite things. So I'm gonna take this piece of cookie dough and we're gonna press it into our pretzel mold just like that. And when we take it out very carefully, we have a pretzel. Isn't that awesome?
Ooh, add it to the ice cream, Miss Hands.
Okay, Fizzy, let's add it on top. There we go. That looks so good.
Oh, thank you. This is exactly what I ordered.
Our last order is a vanilla sundae. Coming right up.
Perfect.
Okay, we have our sundae bowl here, and we're gonna put it right underneath the ice cream dispenser. Otherwise, it could get a little bit messy. Look, this is our creamy white vanilla ice cream, and we're gonna add it right into this side here. And I have an idea. Why don't we add caramel to the other side as a surprise?
Awesome idea.
And let's close the lid and push.
This is really making me want ice cream.
Almost there now, Phoebe.
Then we need sprinkles and 2 cookies.
Yeah, standing by with sprinkles.
Oh,
Thanks, Phoebe. Good job. You okay, Fizzy?
I'm trying to make 2 cookies for this order.
Here, let me help you. Oh, this is fun. Let's add these tiny chocolate chips into our cookie mold. And then we press in our cookie dough just like that. And lift it out. And we have a chocolate chip cookie.
That's 1 cookie. Time to make number 2. Ha! 2 cookies.
Yay, Fizzy, we completed another order.
We make the best team.
We sure do, Fizzy.
Oh, yummy. Thank you.
my ice cream now, please?
Let's do it.
Ooh, I'd like raspberry and chocolate in a cone. And a cookie, please. Sprinkles, please. This has been the best day ever.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time.